Welcome to another session of ATU Library tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to take you through how you can place a request on any ebook remotely so that we get you the book or we download the book for you and send the book to you via your email address. So assuming a lecturer walks into your class, tells you that with this particular course, I'm going to use a book authored by Philip Kotler, and the title of the book is Principles of Marketing. So make sure you get the book from the library, or better still, get a book and read. So as a student, you want to inform the library that you need an ebook version of this particular book that has been recommended by the lecturer. So quickly, you just go to our OPAC page, you open your browser, you type opac.atu.edu.gh. On its interface, there is a section that you will see place a request. Under the place a request, you click on request for an ebook remotely. So there is a form for you to fill, which will enable you to submit your request for the library to process it for you. So students, you move on to next, and note that with the sign that you have over here, it means these fields are required fields. You cannot skip this to come and answer this. This should be certified before you move on to the next question. So this question is asking you to provide your institutional email address, that is your student email address, not your Gmail or Yahoo. And that email address ends with @atu.student.edu.gh. So for instance, we can use kwame@atu.student.edu.gh. So we select marketing. You can select any of these, but make sure that you select the department that you fall under. You select your level 200 students, move on to next. You type or you enter the author or the author's name. So the book can have two authors as recommended by your lecturer, or the book can have only one author. So let's say we have Philip Kotler. You have Principles of Marketing. You proceed to click on Submit. So your request will be received by the library, and within 48 hours, we will get back to you via the email address that you have provided. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at ATU Library.